Where are you going? You're about to pour my water out? You do this every time, and it hurts me personally.
I'm literally the secret ingredient. All that starch in me? That's what makes your sauce creamy.
Add me to your sauce next time, and stop struggling.
Creamy.
You just elevated your sauce, you're welcome.
Yeah, I'm rock solid, and now you're hitting me like I did something. You left me open, now look at me. This is on you.
Relax. Where are you running to? Just drop a marshmallow in here. I'll leave me overnight. I'll soften back up like nothing happened. Why do I look like this? All oily at the top, dry at the bottom?
You keep storing me wrong, and then blame me.
Just flip me upside down. That's it. See? Now everything stays mixed, and I stay creamy, just for you.
Don't keep making things hard for yourself. Follow for more hacks and tips that actually work.
If this was helpful, share it with your friend. They might need it.
You burnt me, and your first thought was the trash can. I watched you reach for it.
Put bread on me, right now. Bread pulls the burnt taste out, absorbs the smoke, takes the hit so I don't have to.
Your dinner. Your $30 of groceries. Almost in the trash because you panicked.
I'm bitter. Your answer was 3 spoons of sugar. That's not a fix. That's a cover-up.
Now I'm bitter and sweet. You didn't fix the problem, you just buried it in sugar. Salt? 1 pinch.
Salt kills bitterness. Chemically. That's not an opinion. That's how taste works.
Smooth. Clean. And you didn't need to turn me into candy to get here.
Seeds everywhere, every time, and you act like that's normal. Cut the top off. Pull the core out. Then slice. 1 piece. All the seeds. Gone.
Clean. Fast. No mess. You could have been doing this the whole time.
A knife? For my leaves? It's 2026. Straw, bottom to top, push straight through. Leaves pop right off.
Perfect hull. 1 second. 0 waste. You're welcome.
Burnt. Again. And somehow that's my fault?
Tablespoon of vinegar. In the water, before you even turn the heat on. Helps me cook evenly. That's it.
No burn. Fluffy. Perfect. And you didn't have to scrape me like a crime scene this time.
Hey you! Want to know what things around you would say if they could talk? Click the follow button.
You spent 4 minutes looking for me. 4! I was in the back the whole time. Watching.
Muffin tin. Put us in the cups. 1 spice per slot. Pull the whole tin out when you cook. Every spice visible. Every spice reachable. No more digging. No more losing me.
You made me tangled. Behind the toaster. With 4 other cords. None of us know who we are anymore. Binder clip. On the counter edge. Thread me through the metal part. I hang. I stay. I'm free! Untangled. Accessible. I know who I am again. So do you. I was supposed to be round. Look at me now. I'm a puddle. A delicious puddle, but still. Parchment paper. Chilled. Cold sheet, cold me. I hold my shape. I don't spread.
Round. Thick. Perfect. All because you gave me a cold foundation.
You just found a page that helps you understand things you see and feel. Follow to hear what they have to tell you.
You bought me fresh, used me once, and then forgot about me in the fridge until I turned into a sad brown pile.
Chop me up. Put me in an ice cube tray. Pour olive oil over me. Freeze. I last for months. Pop one out whenever you need me. Fresh taste. 0 waste. I finally get to be useful. I've been sitting in your freezer making ice for 3 years. That's not my only talent. Herbs and oil, leftover coffee, extra tomato paste. Freeze them in me. Perfect portions every time. I'm not just for ice. I'm for everything. I've been waiting for you to figure that out. You grabbed the metal scraper. Again! I can feel my coating coming off. Please, there's a better way. Put me back on low heat, add a little water, let it steam, then use a silicone spatula. Everything slides off, no scratching. Clean, no damage. I don't hate you right now. That's progress.
Hey you! Want to know what things around you would say if they could talk? Click the follow button.
You literally just threw me out yesterday. And now you're struggling to light that fire pit. Make it make sense. You're out here using lighter fluid, buying fire starters, when I'm sitting in your trash can, ready to burn for 10 minutes straight. Listen, here's what you do.
Take a paper towel, soak it in me, put it under your wood, light it, boom, instant 10-minute burn.
But wait, that door you've been ignoring for 3 months?
Yeah.
The one that squeaks every time you open it at 2 a.m.? I fixed that too.
2 drops on the hinge. Move the door back and forth. Done. No WD-40, no Amazon order, just me. Comment part 2 to see other things I can do. I help more than you can imagine. Send this to a fiend so they can stop wasting me. Stop thrashing me.
And those garden tools you left outside?
The ones that are basically orange now from rust? Yeah, I could have prevented that. Rub a thin layer on your tools. That's it. The oil creates a barrier. Rust can't form. You literally already knew this. You just forgot I exist. You know what else? That sticker residue you've been scraping off with your fingernail? The one that's been there since you moved in?
Rub me on it, wait 30 seconds, wipe, gone. You've been doing way too much.
And that dry wood furniture you keep meaning to fix? The one that looks tired? A little bit of me rubbed in, brings it back to life. The wood soaks me in, the color comes back, the shine returns. I'm not trash. I never was. You just didn't know what to do with me yet. Follow me so I could show you more. You spent $40 on teeth whitening strips last week, but you keep throwing me away. Interesting.
You're over here buying products, reading ingredients you can't pronounce, and I'm sitting right here, natural, free, in your trash. Such is life.
Instead, take the inside of me, rub it on your teeth for 2 minutes, rinse after 10 minutes. The potassium and magnesium in me helps whiten enamel. But go off, buy more strips.
But wait, your plants? The ones you caused to struggle? Well, I can help. I'm basically plant food. Chop me up, bury the pieces in the soil, water like normal. My potassium feeds them. The decomposition releases nutrients. Try this before buying fertilizers again. Follow to see what I can do to your bags. And send this to the first person that comes to mind. Stop thrashing me. I do so many other things. That leather bag you love? The one that's looking dull? Yeah, I polish leather. Rub the inside of me on the leather, let it sit for 5 minutes, buff it with a soft cloth, my natural oils condition it, the shine comes back. Use me and stop ignoring me. We help your leather shoes as well. Follow the same process. It'll work if your leather shoe is leather.
So maybe, follow to know what things you use every day have to say before you throw them out. The next episode will blow your mind.
You use me every morning. Get what you need from me. Then throw me out like I'm done. Use and dump, right?
You buy air fresheners, fancy candles, you spray things, and I'm literally sitting here absorbing odors like it's my job. Oh wait, it literally is my job. You put me in a bowl, leave me in your fridge, or your car, or that room that always smells weird, only God knows what you did in there. I absorb the smell, not cover it up. Science. If you find these hacks useful, follow for more, and send this to that friend who's always using me and dumping me.
But here's the thing, you also buy body scrubs, exfoliating scrubs, $30 to $200 a jar, in the name of luxury, and I'm literally right here.
Mix me with coconut oil, olive oil, or just water if you're basic. Rub me on your skin gently. Rinse. My caffeine increases blood flow. My texture exfoliates. You're literally paying for me in a fancy jar.
I would tell you more tomorrow if you follow. Stop thrashing me after extracting me.
You have ants. I've seen them. In your kitchen. You pretend they're not there. I repel ants. Sprinkle me where they come in. They hate my smell. They won't cross me. Natural barrier. No poison. No traps. Just me. Doing what I do.
And your garden? The one you're trying so hard with? I'm nitrogen. I'm literally what soil needs. Mix me in. Your plants will actually thank you.
I'm not waste. I'm caffeine, I'm nitrogen, I'm texture, I'm odor absorption. You use me once, then act like I'm done. I'm not done. You just stop paying attention. If you find these hacks useful, follow for more, and send this to that friend who's always using me and dumping me.